Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to see how good is your general knowledge. Take this question-answer fun quiz, the find out before that. So don't forget, subscribe the channel to playing more quizzes, fun quizzes. So alright, let's play quiz. The oldest Indian language is A. Telugu, B. Hindu, C. Tamil, D. Punjabi. Answer C. Tamil. Which book has been printed in the maximum number of languages and these scripts? A. The Bible, B. Hiraka Sutra, C. The Superbook, D. None of those. Answer A. The Bible. What device is used to view content in virtual reality? A. Smartphone, B. 3D glasses, C. VR headset, D. Tablet. Answer C. VR headset. Which month is the shortest on the calendar? A. January, B. February, C. March, D. December. Answer B. February. Which city is the capital of Russia? A. St. Petersburg, B. Kazan, C. Sochi, D. Moscow. Answer D. Moscow. Where is the Library of Mistakes? A. London, B. Edinburgh, C. Dublin, D. Leeds. Answer B. Edinburgh. When was Rocky Mountain National Park Act was signed by President Woodrow Wilson? A. 25th December 1915, B. 26 January 1915, C. 27th February 1915, D. None of these. Answer B. 26 January 1915. What was the old name of China? A. Xiamen, B. Hefei, C. Macau, D. Qin. Answer D. Qin. Which country is known as Sino? A. Cuba, B. Fiji, C. China, D. Chad. Answer C. China. What is the meaning of Siachen Glacier? A. High glacier, B. Abundance of roses, C. Pure glacier, D. Blue glacier. Answer B. Abundance of roses. The right to voting in UK was extended to women in A. 1928, B. 1929, C. 1930, D. 1931. Answer A. 1928. Thanks for watching.